Student, I am Professor Badwar Arti Madhukar. Today I will discuss chapter about soil chemistry. Soil chemistry, in which first we study ion exchange method or ion exchange topic. First, ion adsorb to soil surface can be exchanged with the ions in the solution, and second one is cations and anions. In the ion exchange method, the organic colloids and inorganic micelles, that is clay, are sites of ion exchange. Then where do ions in soil come from? The ions in soil come from release from organic matter, then rain and weathering of parent material. Ion exchangeable cations on soil surfaces. It cannot be removed by leaching, and soluble cations from in soil can be removed by the leaching. When soil is dried, first exchangeable cations hold to adsorption sites on the soil surfaces. Then soil is dried, and second, soil cations and anions precipitate or crystallizes as salt. Then soil is dried. Then let's see example of soluble cation precipitating. See the example of soluble cation precipitating. Next, ion exchange. Ion exchange method. Exchangeable ions on soil surfaces. Trading places with ion in solution. On soil surfaces, there are exchangeable and non-exchangeable ions. First, exchangeable ions. Exchangeable ions are weakly held in contact with soil solution, and they are ready for quick replacement. It is also called as outer sphere complex. Second one is non-exchangeable ion exchange. They are also called as inner surface or inner sphere complex, in which adsorbed by strong bonds are held in inaccessible places. For example, the K plus between layer of elite that are not part of the ion exchange. Next point is cation exchange capacity. It is also called as EEC. That it is some total of exchangeable cations that a soil can adsorb, that is prevent nutrient from leaching away from the roots. For example, clay humus complex, in which calcium 2 plus, H plus, Na plus, that are exchangeable with K plus, Na plus, Mg2 plus. CEC means cation exchange capacity expressed in milli equivalents per liter 100 gram or milli equivalent per 100 gram.